You're going to pay that additional amount.
That means you are accepting the fact that you are assessing him for house tax even though you can't after 2018.
Ending actually. So as the issue how do you look at it?
Actually, it is the most important step actually. As the situation of the revenue in the Morgan Municipal Council is very bad. To me, already manual reassessment start केल्ले. पण कितें आसता की जे एजन्सी और एक स्पेशलाइज खंयची एजन्सी करता काम इट इज लायक अ फूल प्रूफ आसता म्हणजे एक्झॅक्ट डेटा आसता सो आमकां एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट डिसिशन आमकां हे एक्चुअली कोलब्रो एक एजन्सी आसा ही दॅट हॅज बीन अपॉइंटेड एंड ऑलरेडी दे हॅव स्टार्टेड इन द नॉर्थ गोवा सो साउथ गोवा दे वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट सो हांवें सगळ्यान पयलीं रिक्वेस्ट केली थ्रू जी सोडा एंड डीएमए की इट शॅल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मोरमुगांव बिकॉज द फायनान्शियल सिच्युएशन इज व्हेरी बॅड अशें आतां ते सांगता आसतना because of the HPCL somehow at present we are able to clear up the dues but we have to think the long term अशें न्ही की फक्त आजचे आनी फाल्यांचे चिंतले we have to think long term council will keep on changing after 5 years CEO also will keep on changing but the payment the works the development works whatever we have to do that shall continue forever so हो जो data आसा last जो data आमी reassessment केलो 1997 last time आमी पयलीं सांगिल्लें so now it's been almost 27 years that we are not having the exact data कितले extension जाल्ले आसा आम्हीच तो काय एक 2 वर्सां स्टार्ट केल्लो बट इट इज जस्ट लायक इट्स वेरी टायम कंज्यूम बिकॉज विथ आवर लिमिटेड स्टाफ वी कॅनॉट कंप्लीट ऑर वी कॅनॉट फिनिश डेट सो आतां हे 27 वर्सांत जाता आनी तुमकां खबर आसा 27 खुबशे चेंजीस जाल्ले आसा सो आमकां एक्झॅक्ट डेटा मेळटलो वीच आय फील दॅट एटलीस्ट इट्स गोईंग टू डबल अप आवर एटलीस्ट हाऊस टॅक्स रेवन्यू पार्ट सो दॅट इज वेरी इट्स गोईंग टू हेल्प अस टू एटलीस्ट फॉर एक्झाम्पल सरान कशें म्हणलें जशें की वी आर नाव डिपेंडंट ऑन द डेव्हलपमेंट ग्रांट्स ऑफ द कमिशन so if this works out properly we'll be able to do development works from our funds only in the long run I'm talking about so it is going to help us in a very good way so it's good that we are starting and also they are very kind enough that they are going to start with the Mormugaon in South Goa so sir हांव परत सरान सुद्दां रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली आसा बट आय ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पब्लीक मेन मिन्स पब्लीक खास करून मागीर ते गव्हर्मेंट इंस्टिट्यूशन्स आसात लायक नेवी and MPT or GSL they also shall cooperate in this आमची जो मोहीम आसा and also the councillors they also shall tell there shall not be any differences between the councillors and MLAs also we shall be on the same page म्हणटा पळय तशें so that we get a proper data from them begin data मेळपाक जाय आमकां so that we can start implementing the same in the system because it's a process आज म्हळ्यार फाल्यां ते आमच्या सिस्टमाक घालपाक शकना तो डेटा येतलो then we have to validate there is a process as per the Goa Municipality Act of process करून we are at least planning to implement it from 1st April 2025 so तेन्ना सुद्दां आमकां 25 hardly 10 months is remaining but तें सुद्दां करपाक जाय आमकां जाल्यार we have to start immediately and that's what we are now planning to do.
Thank you so much. Long pending demand of the municipality and we have heard that Vasco municipality will be the first in South Goa. What is this initiative all about and how will it help the municipality?
Basically it's a GIS-based mapping for the property tax assessment. What has been observed is that most of the structures and dwelling units have not come on board. So this has resulted in a revenue leakage for the municipality and that's why they cannot even be self-sufficient. The whole purpose is to make them self-sufficient. So we are conducting a GIS-based survey to bring all the structures, both authorized and unauthorized, in the gambit or tax ambit, also for service charges. Okay. So with this kind of exercise, everything will be transparent. Public will be able to see that. It will be displayed onto the One Goa based map, okay, and there's accountability and transparency which will be actually initiated and will be implemented over here, So that's the purpose. More important, will be able to get the tax, and they'll be able to have a better control over the tax reforms. Management of the taxes. That is the main purpose and the whole exercise, including garbage captures. Also, future we are planning to link that with my construction license model. Any encroachments future and all that can be also trapped at that very point.
So it would be like a single platform for everything, portal
for everything. Because we're integrating this with the other departments, the land and survey records plus the department and all those things.
Sir, when this project is done and the houses come in there, especially the unauthorized, there are some fears that people might think that payment made by the unauthorized houses will make them legal. Anything on that?
No, in fact this does not change the legal status of that particular structure. Okay. In what happened, we are only charging. The purpose of doing this survey is to actually collect this charges for the services rendered by the municipality.
Okay.
That is the only purpose. The
House
legal
tax.
standing does not change at all. It is totally, thereafter that same structure can also be demolished, we don't know.
Okay. So collection of house taxes and other.
Assessment, this doesn't change the legal status of that particular.
Many times we realize that some houses are present and they are paying house taxes. When you go in reality, they've already expanded 3 floors. So all these things will come into account.
Absolutely. In fact, all the extended areas will be taken, will be captured, and they will be including the occupiers and others. So every structure will be.
It is going to be a real time.
Real time. In fact, a real time. In fact, you will be able to view that particular thing on the one quarter.
So the municipality has to pay some funds, or in this.
Right now, this is being financed from the 15 Finance Commission grants. The municipal funds have been taken deposit to the extent of the existing things down there. We will be deferring the expenses, the cost for this, and over and above that, whatever they will have to pay separately because those were not in the register. You cannot even
So
assess.
it's going to be a one-time fee, or it's going to be?
This is going to be one time.
It's going to be one-time investment where the municipality will be earning.
One time. And then regular every year you'll be recovering that. In fact, within 2 years you can recover the entire amount which you have invested.
So the money for this is going to come through the 15 finance.
Yes, 15 finance, bulk of it.
Okay.
Because we don't have a control of how many unauthorized dwelling units have actually already been raised.
So when does the work start and when does the entire?
We have already issued the letter for work order for them on the 14th of June, right? 14th of June we have done it.
Okay. And how long is it expected to?
The entire project for the entire North Goa, South Goa is supposed to be completed in 18 months.
In 18 months.
In 18 months.
So Murmuga Municipal Council will be even faster.
Yeah, we are starting off immediately. It's already started. Work is started. Their team is already here. 40-50 surveys already on board.
Your name, sir?
My name is Savio. This is from Jisuda.
Thank you.
Say somebody doesn't pay your penalty. माझे आता फक्त घर आलं ते 100, माझे घर आता झालं 150, सगळं 150 मिळलं.
Going to be an extensive survey, and it is as per the guidelines of Ministry of Finance and MoHUA. So this is basically like make this municipal council self-dependent. So I will request all the property holders and all the councillors to cooperate so that we can help the municipal council to earn their own revenue.
प्रॉब्लम आमचो रेव्हेन्यू जनरेटर आनी हो एक आमकां मेजर बूस्ट जालो हालींच आमचे म्युनिसिपालिटीचे नशीब ओपन जाल्लो तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार HPCLचे आमी पयरूच आमचे पयशे मेळ्ळे तशेंच आतां GI मॅपींग आमचे रेकॉर्ड आमचे 33,000 हावजीस आमकां आसा पूण बाकीचे रेकॉर्डात ना. इवन द बेस्ट थिंग कितें आसा आमची जी प्रॉपर्टी जी नेवीची आसा आमकां एंट्री करूंक मेळना. आमकां खबर ना कितले फ्लॅट्स आसा ते पूण हितून इन्क्लुडींग सेंट्रल प्रॉपर्टी जी आसा नेवी आसूं रेल्वे आसूं जे आमच्या लिस्टान दे आर नॉट पेईंग एनीथिंग पूण ते आतां हितून अंडर येतले बिकॉज डायरेक्टली मिनिस्ट्रीसून येता म्हटल्यार आमकांय बरें दिसलें बाबा आमकां आतां फंडाचो एक तर हें बरें वचून जालें. हांव इतलें सांगता बाबा सगळ्या कावन्सिलरांनी एक आपणाचो भाग म्हणून आपणाचो वांटो म्हणून सगळ्यांनी भाग घेवन आपणाच्या वॉर्डान करपाक जाय. इवन MLA मिनिस्टर आसून तेंच्यांनी हातभार लावपाक जाय. खंयच आमी चुकपाक ना. खंय तरी आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटी आमची स्थिर दवरपाक जाय. आमची एरिया आमकां बरी दवरपाक क्लीन दवरपाक जाय. हेतून आमकां हातभार लावंक पडटलो. आनी बरी गजाल आसा की खूबच वर्सां जालीं आमी असले आमकां रेकॉर्डाक काय मेळना. आतां सुरवात जातली आनी म्युनिसिपालिटी बरे हेचेर मार्गार लागतली.
खंय तरी 15 फायनान्सचे फंड्स जेन्ना एलोकेट जातले तुमच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक कावन्सिलाक बी त्रास जातलो?
डेव्हलपमेंटाक त्रास जातलो. आतां जेन्ना 15 फायनान्साचे आमचे पयशे जेन्ना तेंच्यांनी घेतले 5-6 करोड म्हणजे खंय तरी आमकां कावन्सिलरांक मार पडलो. कित्याक लोकांची अपेक्षा आसता कावन्सिलर आपणाच्या वॉर्डान कितें करपाक जाय म्हणून. पूण आमी एक्सक्यूज दिवंक शकना. पूण इतलेंच हांव सांगूंक शकता आमकां लास्ट टायम आमी जेन्ना मिटींग घेतलेली आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन तेन्ना तेणी प्रॉमीस केल्लें कित्याक तुमकां खंयसून ना खंयसून गव्हर्मेंटाचे फंड एक्स्ट्रा दिवन तुमचे डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क दवरपा ना. कित्याक आमकां डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क करता जाल्यार आमकां फाटल्या इलेक्शनाक थोड्यांक इलेक्शनाक रावपाचें आसतात आनी इलेक्शनाक रावपा जाल्यार कित्याक तुजो कित्याक तुवें ते 5 वर्सां रावन कितें केलें. पूण आमी आमचे पयशे आमचे कडेन काय इतले पयशे आसता की आमी थंय घालून कितें करूंक शकता. होच जो फंड आसता थंयसर आमी आमचे गटर जावन आमची गल्ली जावं कितें पेवर्स बीन घालून जाल्यार एक लोकांक बरें दिसता. पूण जेन्ना तूं कांयच करना जाल्यार एक तुवें क्वेश्चन मार्क आसता हो तूं फुडल्या हेका येतलो काय ना येतलो. पूण खंय तरी आमकां हेतूनय मातसो गव्हर्मेंटान मातसो हेल्प केलो आनी आमकां डेव्हलपमेंट वर्का खातीर आमचो फंड आमकां दिलो जाल्यार बरी गजाल जातली. कित्याक आतां हांवें आयकलां कित्याक आमचे कावन्सिलर थोडे म्हणपा लागले थोड्यांनी आपणाचो फंड ऑलरेडी युटिलायज केलो म्हणून 15 फायनान्साचो आनी तांकां सांगलां ते 16 फायनान्साचे पयशे तुमकां हांगा घालतले म्हणून. तशेंच आमी चिंतलां बाबा आमचे तर पयशे आमकां मेळटा आनी आमकां डेव्हलपमेंटाक काम करना वेल एंड गूड. आनी हितून मातसो CMान आनी आमचे वास्कोचे आमदार जावन नाल्यार आमचे मिनिस्टर मोविन सरान संकल्पान हें करून मातशें उलोवन हे आमचे कावन्सिलाचो फंड जो आहा तो डेव्हलपमेंटाचो मातसो दिवन कितें हेल्प आउट करपाचो, कित्याक कावन्सिलर काम करपा जाल्यार ताका एक पयशांची गरज आसा.
सर